Lost in the heart of the Pacific Ocean, off the coast of Mexico, lies a hidden paradise, the Marietas Islands. Every day people search online, where is the hidden beach? Is this secret cave real? Yes, it is. Welcome to Playa del Amor, or the Hidden Beach, a magical place hidden inside a cave where soft white sand meets the sky through a natural hole above. This is what people come to see. Colorful coral beneath crystal waters, dolphins dancing in the waves, and kayaking through untouched blue lagoons. To reach this secret beach, you must swim through a mysterious tunnel carved by the sea, a thrilling journey that ends in nature's masterpiece. But the Marietas Islands are more than just a tourist spot. They are a protected natural reserve, home to rare marine life and exotic birds. Imagine drone shots flying above, a circle of turquoise water, a lush green island, and at the center, a breathtaking hidden beach. If you love nature, if you seek wonder, then the Marietas Islands are calling you. Because this is not just a destination, it's an experience.